It's our first video lesson from third week. In this video lesson we'll talk about calcium. Firstly, chemical symbol of calcium is Ca. Calcium has atomic weight 4Z and calcium has 20 electrons. I'm really sorry, here I have a mistake, here not a 40 but 20. We can write electronic shell configuration or just electronic configuration, and from electronic shell configuration we can understand that calcium located in second group because we have 2 valence electrons, and located in fourth period because we have 4 electronic shells. Calcium is the fifth most abundant element, or is the third most abundant metal in the Earth's crust. Calcium is an essential element in living organisms. It's a major component of bones and teeth. A characteristic function of calcium ions in living systems is the activation of a variety of metabolic processes. Calcium plays a vital role in heart action, blood clotting, muscle contraction, and nerve transmissions. That's why calcium is called essential element. Although none of the alkaline earth metals occur free in nature, calcium compounds are abundant. Calcium compounds are widely distributed in nature, occurring as a limestone or marble, or it also can be found as a gypsum or fluorite. Salts of sulfate, silicate, and phosphate are also found in the Earth's crust. In many regions of Kazakhstan, we can find compounds of calcium. Calcium phosphate is found in Karatau and Chilisai, Aktobe province. Gypsum is obtained in Jambul region. Also, we have some deposits of calcium in Shymkent, Semey, and Mangoshlak. Physical properties of calcium. Calcium is a silvery, white, soft alkaline earth metal. If we'll talk about preparation, metallic calcium is best prepared by the electrolysis of molten calcium chloride as an reaction below. Its mean electricity. Chemical properties of calcium. Calcium reacts with hydrogen to produce calcium hydrate. Only calcium hydrate among all hydrates of second A group reacts with water by releasing heat. In products we have calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas released. Calcium also reacts with water, and in product we have calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Here you can see a funny picture. Calcium reacts with nonmetals as is shown on the reactions below. Strong heating is required to make calcium burned, as you can see here in this reaction. Calcium reacts with diluted hydrochloric acid to give calcium chloride and hydrogen gas. Calcium also reacts with diluted sulfuric acid to give calcium sulfate and hydrogen gas released. Now let's describe main compounds of calcium. Let's talk about calcium oxide, or also it's known as a lime. Calcium oxide is used in production of cement and is obtained by heating calcium carbonate at 900 Celsius degree. When calcium oxide reacts with water, in products we have calcium hydroxide, or also named as a slaked lime or lime water. Hydroxide or lime water is used in preparation of mortal, slaked lime plus sand, which sets to solid by reconversion of calcium hydroxide to calcium carbonate as a result of the reaction with carbon dioxide in the air, as you can see here in the reaction. Calcium carbonate does not dissolve in the water. It occurs naturally as a marble, limestone, and chalk. Underground water containing carbon dioxide dissolves some amount of calcium carbonate as is shown in this reaction. When such underground water reaches the Earth's surface, the pressure on it decreases. That's why calcium carbonate precipitate is formed. Formation of stalagmites and stalactites are example of this process. One of the calcium compounds is calcium carbide, which is found in the form of the small gray solid pieces and used widely in industry. The reaction of calcium carbide with water produces acetylene, which is used in welding. In table you can see uses of compounds of calcium. For example, gypsum is used in buildings, Lime is used in the manufacture of cement and casting. Carbide is used, as we mentioned before, in welding and others. Thank you for your watching.